In today's video, I'm going to teach you polygon islands to objects. This is a quick and reliable way to break a single polygonal mesh into separate objects whenever it contains multiple disconnected parts. If you've ever imported a model that looks like one big piece but is actually made up of several distinct sections that don't physically touch, this tool is designed for exactly that scenario. First, make sure you've selected the polygonal object in the Object Manager. You'll want to click on the item that currently holds all the geometry you intend to split. The key is that it's one object containing multiple islands, meaning groups of polygons that are connected internally, but not connected to each other. With that object selected, go to the top menu and choose Tools, then Convert and select Polygon Islands to Objects. The moment you run this command, Cinema 4D analyzes the mesh and looks for natural boundaries based on connectivity. Anywhere polygons are linked edge to edge, they remain together. Wherever there's a break, Cinema 4D treats that as a separate island and turns it into its own object. You'll see the result populate in the Object Manager almost instantly. Each distinct connected group of polygons becomes a separate object, making it much easier to manage, isolate, and edit each part independently. This can be especially helpful for texturing different components, organizing complex scenes, or preparing models for animation and simulation workflows where individual control matters. A few practical notes as you work. Keep an eye on naming and hierarchy after the split. Cinema 4D will create new objects for you automatically, and having them cleanly organized can save time later. If the outcome isn't what you expected, remember you can undo immediately and adjust your selection before trying again. Also, this process depends entirely on polygon connectivity. If two areas share even a single edge, they'll be treated as one island. If they're truly separate, they'll become distinct objects. The real advantage of this method is speed and accuracy. There's no manual separating, no guessing, and no need to painstakingly select and split components by hand. You select the source object, run the command, and let Cinema 4D do the heavy lifting. It's one of those small tools that pays off big when you're cleaning up imports or organizing assets for a tidy, efficient workflow. That's the entire process. Select your polygonal object, run polygon islands to objects, and let Cinema 4D generate clean, individual objects from each island for you.